Okay, so first things first, I think.
I like brown.
Yeah, that's fine. It's not brown. Put it in.
I mean, that part is.
Well, yeah, we're not gonna use that part. We're just gonna use this part. Yeah, see, this is working.
You can touch it. I don't want to touch it.
Your face can touch it. Okay. Okay, can you wash that? Because we're gonna need it. Okay, so because I'm touching the meat quite a bit, Ryan, you're gonna have to be doing a lot of opening up things for me. So, what are you doing?
It's hot.
You can. Oh, you still wash it.
Yeah, I know it's hot.
So let's still wash it anyway.
Yeah, but the cold water will bend.
The assumption is we only need one egg, okay, and that we put it in this thing. Okay, go like this. Right, and then now. Oh shit! There's shit everywhere. I have to clean that up. Can you open up olive oil? We're supposed to kind of do this.
You need this, I'm assuming?
Yeah, just grab like a shot glass from above there or whatever. Put. Shit, are you serious? You push down on it and open. It's like kid proof probably, right?
You're kid proof. Do I have to take this?
Probably. I don't know. Let's see. Does it? It should tell you how to do it. Oh, Ryan!
What?
It does tell you right on the top there. It tells you to turn.
Turn.
Yeah, turn
That's it.
that way. So
Yeah,
turn
that's
it.
what I was doing.
Don't do that.
I was turning.
Push
this
down.
way.
Yeah, but push down and
I
turn.
was.
Push down.
I am pushing down.
Put pressure on the table and do it. Right? Oh my god. Weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to get you to do this.
Hold on.
Oh my god, I have a feeling that's not how you do it.
Maybe not.
Hey, just give me a second here. Just give me a second. If I do it within 30 seconds, Ryan, I'm gonna have to have you. Do you got it?
I'll get it.
Okay. Well, we don't need to spend a half an hour of you trying to open up this thing. Turn on the water, please, so I can wash my hands. So I'll do that. You're gonna have to do this. Okay. Put some soap. Weird.
Exactly.
Oh, it looks like it separates. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. It looks like it's separating. Grab a knife. Grab a knife, please. There we go.
Yeah, just pry it open. I thought we needed to keep.
Oh, all you have to do is lift up. We're stupid.